Hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like, subscribe, and comment down below. For this tutorial, I'll be using June's Boxycharm. The palette I'll be using is called Alamar. For transition, I'll be using Coco. The brush I am using is from Wet n Wild. It's a crease brush, and I am just moving my brush back and forth to blend out the eyeshadow. The next shade I'll be applying is called Trópico, and I'll be applying it in the outer corner, and I'm going to be doing circular motions using the same brush I was using before. The brush I'll be using next is called Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money. The next shade I'll be using is called El Malecón, and I'll be applying it half of the eyelid. I'll be reapplying Trópico in the outer corner to intense the color. I'll be using the shade Cafécito in the outer corner as well. For the wing liner, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar gel liner. To prime my face, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. As for foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline NewYork Superstay Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. The brush I'll be using to blend out my foundation is called e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. To blend out completely the foundation, I am using a Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the color Light Ivory. The brush I'll be using is Luxie 516 Dual Fiber Powder, and I'll be using the Airspun in the color Naturally Natural. To bronze my face, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. To contour my face, I'll be using the Pure Sculpture palette, and I'll be using the color Inventor. For blush, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Hush Blush Make Them Blush. The next brush I'll be using is Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter, and I am gonna use the shade Originator from the Pure Sculpture palette. The next shade I'll be applying is called Varadero, and I'll be applying it on the lower lash line. Next shade I'll be applying is called La Costa, and I'll be applying it in the inner corner. First lip product I'll be using is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the color Nudist Peach. Second lip product I'll be using is the Maybelline NewYork Superstay Matte Ink in the color Poet. The last lip product I'll be using is called Adesi New York Cocoa Hoot. For the waterline, I'll be applying Jaunty Blue eyeliner pencil in the color 912 Charcoal. For the lashes, I'll be using the Battington lashes called Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. My favorite mascara that I like to use is from Waterline Double Decker Lash. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and maybe comment down below of what you thought about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.